born in 1861. Gifted with a brilliant mind and a heart for justice, he devoured books, sketched dreams, and questions the world around him. From his early life, facing Spanish colonial oppression, he forged an unbreakable spirit. His father, Francisco Mercado Rizal, 1880 to 1898, managed their hacienda and came from a lineage that adopted the Rizal surname. In 1849, the Governor Claverías decreed, while his mother, Teodora Alonso Realanda, 1827 to 1913, was an educated, business-savvy woman who taught him early values of hard work and literacy. Exiled, imprisoned, executed at 35. Rizal's life was a blaze of works like Noli Me Tangere and El Filipo's Turismo. These novels exposed corruption, sparked the revolution, and championed education, equality, and reform. His ideals: love country but fight smart with your mind, not just might. The making of a hero, Rizal's early life. From learning the alphabet at 3 to writing his poem at 8, laying the groundwork for his heroic destiny. Nurtured by his mother's storytelling and his father's discipline amid a loving household of 11 siblings, Rizal developed resilience, love for learning, and early patriotism that defined his character. These formative years transformed a gifted child into a visionary reformer, proving how family support and innate genius forged enduring national heroes. Rizal wrote with fire, not just ink. His words lit the minds of a sleeping nation, and they still burn today. Read not just to know history, but to feel it. Because in every story of struggle, we find the will to rise again. We are the revolution they dream of. Keep reading, keep remembering.